Welcome to Feature Friday, where we explore all the cool functions of our Roof Wizard software. I've got a situation where I've been asked to quote a job where the majority of the roof is metal, but the client wants the back half of the building to have tile on it to match heritage style. Now, currently, I've got the entire structure as metal. I can tell that by the colour I've selected, which helps me see what material categories I've got. Over here, if we go back to the main menu, under the check menu, and we've got the option here, Tools, Change Plane Material. I'm not going to change any of the dimensions, so they can all stay. I can ignore that. And I'm going to change the back half of the building to tile. So select the floor plate that are changed. And there we have, I can see it's a different colour and it's all good to go. How do I know what the quantities are? If I go over here to Tally Quantities, I've got a total quantities of the metal, I've got total quantity of tile, and I've got a total quantity of the whole roof. And at any stage, if you click the ellipsis button at here on the right hand side, if I double click that, it flashes the metal part at me, and then it will flash the tile part at me. So I can verify what's what. So at any stage, have a look at that, play with that, it'll help you out. That's all for Feature Friday for this week, and we'll see you again soon on Feature Friday.